Hello everyone, what have you guys been up to during this quarantine period? Have you all tried to cultivate a new hobby? I hope all of you have included some form of exercise in your daily routine to keep yourselves fit while staying at home. Today, I'm here to talk about the importance of exercise. Let's begin. Why exactly should you exercise? Exercise must be included in your lifestyle for a healthy body and a healthy mind. This in turn makes you a happy person. It keeps your heart and vital organs healthy. It helps you maintain your body weight and gain muscles or lose fat. It elevates your mood and boosts your energy. It improves the function of your brain and helps you sleep better at night. Now, there are basically 4 types of exercises: aerobic exercise, strength training exercises, flexibility training exercises, and balance training exercises. Aerobic exercise include activities that increase your breathing and heart rate. Examples of such exercise are walking, jogging, running, swimming, cycling, dancing, and gardening. Aerobic exercise is a main component of overall fitness. It keeps your circulatory system and lungs healthy. It reduces the risk of heart diseases, diabetes, and blood pressure. The next category of exercise is strength training. These exercises use resistance of your own body or equipments and machinery. Examples of such exercises include push-ups, crunches, and weightlifting. Strength training exercises keep your bones and muscles strong. It supports and protects joints and increases lean muscle mass. The third category of exercise is the flexibility training exercises. These exercises involve stretching of muscles and joints. Examples of such exercises are yoga and stretches. It maintains a wide range of motion along your joints and keeps your body flexible. The last category of exercise is the balance training exercise. These exercises help you improve the balance of your body and stabilize your movements. Practicing Tai Chi poses, standing on one foot, heel-to-toe walking are the examples of such exercises. Balance training exercises strengthens core and prevents falls. It increases the control of body's movements and reduces the risk of injuries such as ankle sprains. So, which one is the ideal form of exercise? According to health experts, any workout should include all the 4 types of exercise. Some exercises combine more than one type, such as yoga, which incorporates strength, flexibility, and balance exercises. It is advisable to include a minimum of 2.5 hours of aerobic exercise per week and 2 sets of strength training exercise per week in your workout. As for balance and flexibility training, feel free to do them according to your will. Another important thing to keep in mind while you start working out is to start slow. It is quite possible to harm yourself from exercising too hard, too fast. Always remember to start out slow and progress slowly. That's all from me now. Stay tuned for more such informative videos. For those who have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as we upload our next video. Also, do follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you, take care, and stay safe.